Hello everyone and welcome to my part 2. I hope so. You have seen my part 1 where we have discussed how you can find programs and how you can check the application requirement because you must need to check the application requirement before applying because mostly students they do not check the application requirement and they just click on apply now button and then eventually they get the rejection. So in part 1 we have briefly check that how you can check the document requirement and what is the application requirement and how you can find your degree program. So now we will proceed to the part 2 where I will show you how you can apply step by step. If you want to apply you need to follow my video step by step. So let's start without wasting time. We will start. So so yes, so see, this is the degree program, computer science. Like I have done my bachelor in the computer science, so I want to pursue my computer MSc computer science. So yes, Master of Science. So what I will do, I will click on that one more now. In the first part, we have checked this more information. Like more information mean application requirement. We have already checked in part one. So I already know that this is my concerned university where I want to apply. This is my degree programs, and this is my university. So I will click on this one, apply now button. So I applied for this scholarship in 2023 but like in 2021 last revival 2021 I didn't remember even because I got my admission in Germany, so right now I am in Germany. So yeah, so but I will start fresh because this video is for you guys. So yeah, you don't need to read this one priorities and blah blah blah, just go for it. Okay. Oh my God, still I have this one. Okay, see. Yeah. So in given name in your first name, here you will write down your first name, family name, you will write down your last name, and the identification document number is passport. So yeah, you need to click your passport. Don't go for the ID card number, mean that the CNIC number. Don't click on this one. Just click on this passport because you are going abroad. So you will have your passport. So this is a basic thing. So yeah, you will click on this passport. So yes, gender female and your passport number. Here you will write on passport number, issue date, expiry date, country of issue, and country of residence mean Pakistan. So yeah, and here you will write down your parents' information, mean my mother first name, my mother last name. Okay, so, and date of birth, my date of birth, my country of birth, my place of birth. Okay. So, and like this is not the mandatory field. So I will skip. So they are saying computerized national identity card, be farm number. So here I will write down my CNIC number. Okay. And here I will upload my picture. So I uploaded my this picture. I love this picture. Okay, so yes, formal. It should be formal photo. That is not formal photo. So you must have the formal photo. Okay. So yeah. So this is here you will write. You will enter detail about yourself. Okay, and then we will go for the this one. Okay, and. Here you will write on your email address, your phone number, and so yeah, your house number, like number, city, postal code, country. You will write down your for emergency contact. You will write down your father, brother, sister, any number where like you want in emergency. Inshallah, there will be no emergency. If there is any emergency, they will contact by your emergency contact detail. So yeah, and a street address and blah blah blah. Okay, and then we will go on the education. So in education we will write down here the level of education. The my level of education is bachelor degree. So yeah, and the status of studies mean it has been completed or not completed. So my studies has been finished. Okay, so see, my university name, when my studies when I started my bachelor, so start year, program name, mean I have done a bachelor in telecommunication. So specific discipline is about the telecommunication, and the normal length was 4 year. Okay, mode of studies mean that was the full degree studies. Okay, and the financing source is self-financed. Okay, no, sorry, self-financed. Okay, country, city, study location was Pakistan, country Pakistan, city Pakistan, study language, and my CGPA, maximum CGPA. So I will write down here my education, okay, requirement. And now let's move to the English. In English, native language. So my native language was Urdu. Should I write down Urdu? Yeah, I would perform my study in Hungary at the selected fully degree program. So yes, my native language is Urdu, okay, not English, okay. And we will click on this one, insert new language, okay. So here I will write down my English, okay, English certificate, okay, IELTS proficiency B2 score 6.5, okay, and the year of certificate and language test date, okay. You need to write down your IELTS detail here, okay, and the employment if you have done any. Uh, employment after study during studies or any internship you can write it right there, okay. So yeah, and activities, yeah, in activities like if you have participated in any conference, if you any curriculum activities, you can write down here, okay. So yeah, and now we'll go to the residence here. So yeah, my residence country, Pakistan, blah blah, and purpose of stay. In motivational, so yes, here you will write down your motivational letter at least 1500 character and for not more than 4000 character. That you need to make sure it should be the plagiarism free. You don't need to do the copy and paste. Definitely they will check the plagiarism within a second. So you need to write down your motivational letter, okay, and it must be 1500 character, and you need the motivational letter not for the Hungary. You need a motivational letter for any foreign country. Like if you are planning to go abroad for studies, then you need a motivational letter. Motivational letter are SOP, statement of purpose. These are the different name of the same thing. Okay. Now here you need to upload your documents, okay. So there you will use the form below to upload the requirement document, okay. Please upload the scan version. See, please upload the scan version of your original document to the task. Proof of language, school certificate, transcript, upload and blah 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 blah. So yeah, so you will what you will do, you will combine your all documents in one file, and after that you will upload that file here, okay. Like bachelor degree, transcript, CV, up to date CV, passport, IELTS, yeah, and motivational. But yeah, these are the basic things: IELTS, bachelor degree, transcript, up to date CV, and yeah, and this thing what you will do, you will combine all these document in one file and you will upload it here, okay. And you will click on this one, checklist. See, proof of English, bachelor, passport, transcript, mandatory medical certificate, and submit, okay. In the checklist you don't need to do anything here. They will show you check mark, like yeah, you have upload your IELTS certificate, check. You will bachelor certificate, passport, transcript, medical certificate. They will show you the check mark, right? I didn't upload it anything, so they are showing me this block 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 block. So and other. So information source, of course, write here you will write little light. Light is my daughter name, my lovely, my princess, my darling daughter name. So little light. Okay. And yeah, please also consider me fee paying applicant. No, don't. I cannot pay fee. Just yeah, just consider me for the free paying application. Fee paying and I'm going the concept. Okay, don't consider me fee paying application. So yeah, and just click on submit. So yeah, this is the application process that you need to do. So it's a very easy process as compared to the other countries. I have found this very easy, and also the one door application, one door Russia application, that was also very easy. And the Hungary scholarship, this process is very easy. Like when I was applying in 2021, of that time I didn't face any problem in application process, because that was very straightforward, that was very easy. I was just fulfilling my information, and after that I uploaded my document, I just click on the submit. So yeah, you also need to do this one. It will take 1 hour, maybe less than 1 hour, not more than 1 hour, half hour. It will take only 1 hour, less than 1 hour, if you have all the documents. Okay, but don't rush for apply now button. First, just find your relevant degree program, and after that, check the application and degree requirement. You are filling, if you are filling the degree requirement, then click on the apply now button. You can apply for 2 application at a time, and inshallah, I'm sure you will get the scholarship. So yeah, I hope so you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, just write an email, or you can also comment. And in next video, like one subscriber, she said she want to see how to apply in France in public university. So I will make a video, I will make next video for this uh, France public universities. So like if you found any problem, like if there is any problem in my video, I'm extremely sorry for that one. But yes, bye bye.